Hello, my name is Adam Lohr and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your subscription to Wavve Boating. So what you have to do is tap the menu in the bottom right. You'll then see in the menu list membership, so tap that. And what you'll see on this screen is the current plan that you're on and when it renews at the top. So you can see I'm on the annual plan and it will renew June 15th. If you want to switch your plan, maybe you want to go from monthly to annual or vice versa, you can see the option to do that at the bottom there. And then also if, Wavve Boating's not fit for you, we're sorry to see you go and then we couldn't meet your needs, but that's okay. You can just hit cancel subscription there. So whether or not you got a subscription through the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, or perhaps on our website through the web, the app will recognize that and send you to the correct cancellation flow so that can get all sorted out. That's about it. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at community@wavveboating.com and we will be happy to help you out. Thank you.